What is going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how BMW auto rev match feature works in the manual gearbox. A lot of cars have this feature, especially the F chassis, M3, M4, M2s, as well as the G chassis. You can probably Google all of the cars that do have this feature, but honestly, this is my by far favorite feature on the car that came from the factory, because I daily drive this car and I personally am super terrible at rev matching manual gearbox. Guilty is charged, but it just makes the manual gearbox driving experience that much more enjoyable, especially that I don't do a lot of highway driving. Boom. So I do this type of road driving, just small, almost back roads, but with a lot of traffic lights. I am driving a 2016 BMW M4 competition, and I absolutely love this car. And for me, manual gearbox was a must. Honestly, not just for this car, but if it's any performance car, I think it should be a manual gearbox. And this is my favorite part of this road. We're gonna go nice and fast, maybe even pop it in M2. And another thing is, with the F chassis, auto rev match does not work on the if it's in Sport Plus, but with the MHD stage 1, well, any MHD tune, you can enable this to work in the Sport Plus as well. To demonstrate it right here, I'm in everything Sport Plus right now, and it does the job just fine. But honestly, this road is a little bit too bumpy for my liking, so I'm gonna go back to sport comfort. And I think this is a good time to actually wrap this video up. I wanted to make a nice and quick video for you guys, showing off the auto rev match on the BMW cars, which I absolutely love and enjoy every single day. And as usual, guys, just please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please give me a favor and do so. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.